She's alive! Hey guys, welcome back to Vehicular Overdrive, and today on Modz we got new coils, plugs, and wires. We're going to be installing on the Mustang here, so I'm going to get everything set up with the camera on the tripod, and we're going to hop to it. Okay guys, so what we have today are new plugs, wires, and coil pack. I got these from Performance Distributors off of Summit Racing's website. Shipping time was a little long, but got here all intact, in good shape. And I got some Autolite Iridium XPs to put on there. So yeah, we're gonna get all this stuff installed, gap those plugs, and hopefully we see some kind of performance gain with this upgrade. These wires are 10 millimeters besides the factory 8 millimeters, so we should be seeing a good significant difference in performance there. Let's get started. Okay guys, so as per usual, first thing we're going to do when working on the Mustang is disconnect the negative battery terminal. Again, that's an 8 millimeter socket. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do is actually put in the spark plugs. And before I do that, I need to gap them all. Make sure you gap your spark plugs. Even if they say they're pre-gapped, please check them because you never know. For my application, I have to go 0.065 just because I'm using thicker wires and a more powerful coil. So in order to gap a spark plug, there's a little opening. First, you gotta get you one of these tools. You can get it from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, any other places like that. And there's a hole in the middle of a tool. You're gonna use that to actually open up the gap on the spark plug. So you'll stick the spark plug in there like that, pry it back on it in order to open up the gap. Now, if you wanna close the gap, you're gonna actually use the back of the tool, press against the spark plug to close. So you wanna be very careful not to drop these or damage the electrode in the middle. Just be careful when you do it, and it should be easy. So I'm gonna gap all of these on camera for you guys, and then we'll get them put in. So I want to show you something I did here. I actually took the battery out since it was blocking my way, and I also took the battery tray out. It gave me a lot more room to reach those last two spark plugs on this side. So yeah, finally got all those out and installed. And next up is the plug wires and the coil pack over there. So stay tuned. Alright guys, time to take the actual pack off itself. Now these bolts, there's 4 of them. There are 2 here and 2 on the back side, and they're 9/32. And all of these, you just clamp them together, you pull them up on it, and it comes right off. She's alive! Alright guys, so that's how you change the plug wires, plugs, and coils on a 2008 Ford Mustang V6. I know it's less of a how-to video this time, but my memory card was getting full, so I had to put you guys in time lapse. What I will say about those live wire plugs is they are labeled incorrectly. So you'll have to swap 1 and 4 and so on and so forth all the way down the line because they're shorter the way they're labeled. So if you just flip-flop those, you'll be all right with that. And I just cut off the labeling, makes it a little bit easier. But appreciate you guys sticking with me today. Subscribe, like, tell me in the comments below more things you want to see here on the channel. And appreciate you watching. Peace.